In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thick horizontal line in Google Docs. It's a simple skill, but super effective, whether you're looking to make your document more visually appealing or needing to clearly separate sections within your content. So let's dive right in and get you started. First, open up Google Docs and ensure you're in the document where you'd like to add this line. Once you're all set, take a glance up to the top left corner where you'll find the menu bar. Look for the option that says Insert and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Table. We're going for a straightforward approach here, so click on a single cell table, essentially a one-by-one table. You'll notice it pops into your document, represented as a cell. Now the trick here is to modify this table so that only the bottom line remains visible. This provides the effect of a horizontal line. What you need to do next is click inside the cell to activate or highlight it. Once you've done this, move across the top of your screen and click on Format. From the drop-down options under Format, select Table and then click on Table Options. A panel will emerge on the right side of your screen, offering a myriad of customization options. Here, locate the section related to the table's color settings. What you'll want to focus on now is changing the border size from the default setting. Look for the option labeled Border Width and set its value to 0 pt. By doing this, the cell basically disappears, leaving us with an empty canvas. At this point, we're down to the final touches. Click carefully on the bottom edge of the table. That's the line we want to keep. Now head back to the top part of your document window where you find the border settings. Here, you have the ability to increase the width. Choose your preferred thickness to create the desired horizontal line effect. Remember, the thicker the width, the more pronounced your line will be. Play around with the sizes until you find the perfect one for your needs. And there you have it, a thick horizontal line neatly placed in your document. You can even add some text on top of this line, so go ahead and type away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.